I watching your video without skipping ads. You see in Singapore here, so many ads. You can see, right? This is your video. When I'm not doing housework, I will watch all your videos. I reserve some data to watch all your videos. Because you all come to my life. Thank you. At least, konti lang naman ang aking lulutuin. Para lang sa sarili ko kasi hindi naman kakain si Glammy. Panganin ko lang, ibobol ko yung ano ko. Manok. Huwag natin yung manok. Ganyan lang yan mga kapatid kasi ako lang naman ang kakain yan. Veronica, I'm watching your video. See, Veronica, I'm watching your video. Mango milkshake. I never skip ads. Thanks, Veronica. On the way to you, Veronica, from Happy Explorer. Ay, monkey. I'm watching your video, Veronica. You see? I'm watching your video without skipping ads. I want to cut carrots. I want to cut carrot. You see me and more. You all watch how I cut the carrots. You see how I watch my carrot. Oh, I give you a moderator. Thank you for coming. Thank you for coming, New Terrace Gardening and Blog. Thank you for coming. Thank you so much. JMD full pack done. Notification on bell. Veronica, you see? Going to finish soon. I'm watching your video and also your upcoming. I already thumbs up the various up to your house. See? Veronica, this is your video. I never skip ads. Then connecting to you, Veronica, from various Explorer. Ate, magbaba ka ng bahay mo. Panunoodin ko ang video mo without skipping ads. See? Veronica, I'm watching your video. Yeah, I'm very true to myself. When I say I want to watch your video, I will watch without skipping ads. See? I never skip ads. Okay. Going to finish soon. You're welcome. When I'm not doing my housework and then I'm in front of my handphone, I can watch all your video. But if I do housework, I do my work first. Going to finish soon, Veronica. I watch